For 2018, the Honda Fit receives updated styling and a new Meteor Sport trim. It also has more active safety technology and driver aids, an updated infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, refined suspension and steering tuning, and added sound insulation. For 2018, the Honda Fit comes in 4 trim levels: LX, Sport, X and XL. All Fits have a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that drives the front wheels. A standard 6-speed manual or optional CVT automatic is available on all but the XL trim, which only comes with the automatic. With the manual transmission, the engine is rated at 130 horsepower and 114 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers drop slightly to 128 HP and 113 lb-ft with the CVT. The Fit isn't overly quick to accelerate, but it is nimble around turns and generally fun to drive. It's also stable at freeway speed. Though by no means what we would call a hot hatch, the Fit is responsive and an easy car to live with on a daily basis. Considering the Fit's simple suspension design and short wheelbase, the ride quality is certainly decent. The seats are comfortable, and this year's added sound insulation makes a noticeable difference in the cabin. Clever packaging and ease of use are hallmarks of the Fit. Thanks to the configurable rear seat, this is a truly versatile cabin. Cargo capacity is impressive, and legroom is generous all around. The only shortcoming is rear headroom. For such a small car, the Fit shines when it comes to moving cargo.